Hey, we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to use Google Maps to create a Wikitude world. So I've just loaded up here our Mosomelt collaborative Google Map, and on the Google Map itself, if we click on these three dots here at the top of the map, we can export to a KML file, and we can choose either a layer of the map or the entire map. We're going to choose the entire map, and we're going to download that KML file because that's what Wikitude wants as its data. So I'm going to close that, open up the file. Now this has created a KMZ file, which is actually a compressed KML file. So if we open this in Google Docs, with Google Earth, we're just opening our Google Maps data in Google Earth now. And you can see it loading up the map data. And here we are in Google Earth. So now what we want to do is just save this. Save it as a KML file. Give it a title. Choose it as a KML format. Save. And now let's go back to Wikitude. And I've logged into the developer section of Wikitude. It's a free account, and I'm using the developer tool, the publish tool. So here we're going to create a new world. You can see some of the worlds I've already created. Click on create new, and basically we just go through the format here. It's a web form. The world type is a KML. You want to go and upload the KML file. Choose the KML file, upload it. The next step, number 2, is give our world a name. So I'm just going to call it Mosomelt map. And choose a language. So our next step is to select categories. I'm going to select education and social. Next step is creating an icon. So what we need to do is to create a 512 by 512 PNG. So I've already created one. I'm just going to load it up here. Go and find it. So here's our 512 by 512 PNG. That will become our icon on Wikitude. That will just take a few seconds to upload, and then Wikitude automatically creates a thumbnail of it. I'm going to also upload a larger file, which is 1024 by 500, which Wikitude uses to advertise the world. So I'm just going to save that. That'll take a few seconds for it to update. Once it's updated, we now have a Wikitude world called Mosomelt. And what we do is we search for that on Wikitude. So I'm just going to load Wikitude up on my iPhone.